let my pool get real funky so I could show you this video. I'm Sarah with WTI, and this pool vacuum head from Sepetrel thoroughly impressed me. What I liked most about it was the swivel handle, which makes it easy to maneuver to reach places that other vacuums I've had in the past just could not reach. I also love the different bristles. There are several on the bottom and along the sides, so I'm able to get all the gross, grimy stuff from the corners and the sides of my pool. The wheels are smooth and make gliding along the bottom of the pool a breeze. I was able to pick up all kinds of dirt and debris easily, and I was left with a bright, clean, sparkly pool. I was also impressed by its durability. I've had this for a little over a month, and even though I've been a bit clumsy with it, it still looks and works great. I've gotten several products from this company, and because of the quality of all the products I've used and their friendly customer service, I think this company will be where I always get my pool cleaning gear. So if you're tired of messing around and you just want to get your darn pool clean, then I think you should try this pool vacuum head, and that's my point of view.